Hi, this is Dana, and I'm here to talk about stacking and packing very quickly for shows. And here, if it was a one-day event and I had plenty of time to pack up, then I would probably take them out of the tray and I would place them on a nice driftwood or panels to make it more interesting. However, as it is, it's a 3-day event. I'm here for a pop-up store, and I need to be able to leave within half an hour of closing. So what I need to do is I have these stacking trays, and I stack them up in accordance to the way it needs to be laid out and in the suitcase. And so that the next morning, I have about 20 minutes to put all of this out. I just lay them all out, and they're all pinned and U-pinned, so they keep their shape, and the earrings I just need to adjust. It is very important that I keep this in mind. So, including the boxes of studs, what I do is I put the lids, I put this down, I have the lids right on top, and I take, or underneath, and I take it down, I do this, and then I put the price tag back on, and that makes it a lot easier. And I lay them all out in the position before I have to open up the lid. And it's really important to figure out ways when you have limited table space. I've got 2 tables here, and a lot of standard booths at craft fairs are 10 by 10. So these IKEA tables are 5 feet each, and I could do 2. And so in this way, it is well organized, and I put them all out the way, and then as I have a bit more time, I lay things out. That way, I'm not in a scramble to come out a bit at a time. And I try to organize it so that visually it is not just straight. I try to keep it clean using U-pins, and the chain should always be straight. Little things so that when your customers are walking by, they're not seeing a huge amount of mess. Although this is not ideal in that it's very functional, it is what you have to deal with if there's a time limit, especially in office towers, pop-up stores, or they have customers coming in at 5:30, and you need to be making your final sale and be out of there by 6 o'clock. So over the years, I've trained to move very quickly, and it has become highly utilitarian.